is my name. I'm the president of Nigeria-Russia Chamber of Commerce.
Okay, what's the purpose of this meeting with the Vice President?
We had just come to intimate him about the forthcoming inauguration tomorrow and present to him a powerful high delegation from Russia, led by an envoy from the Russian government for the inauguration and accompanied by the Russian ambassador, and also a whole lot of strong business delegation that comprise of one of the strongest entities and establishments they have in Russia, armed with a lot of offers for Nigeria in the area of technology transfer, infrastructural investment, and so on and so forth.
Okay, so far Nigeria and Russia have shared a very good relationship over the years. What is the situation now when you look at the bilateral relations between the two countries?
Well, they have enjoyed great bilateral relationship for decades, but today we think that there is a need for improved and increased economic relationship. If you look at the records, Russia should actually have Nigeria as #1 trading partner. But if you look at the statistics, it is really very, very low. We think that it has to do with the absence of an entity like Chamber of Commerce that has a role to facilitate such relationship. Recall that there was this Russia-Africa summit that took place in 2019. Mr. President was there. And then, the Medvedev president of Russia was there in 2009. And there are a lot of agreements were signed. We think it is time to implement this. Russia means well for Africa, and Nigeria has to be positioned properly to benefit from the summit. The second round of that summit is coming in the next year, 2022. So we want not just to be present, we want to go there prepared for benefits that should be mutual for this country.
So what response did you get from the Vice President?
Well, the Vice President had promised the commitment to give all the cooperation to our chambers and all the understanding that is needed to improve this new economic relationship. He welcomed this visit. He welcomed the idea of the potentials, and thanked the Russians for the good relationship and cooperation that they have enjoyed with Nigeria in the last few years. So, we promise him that we will keep in touch with him on the developments.
We just wanted to have a word with you. What's the name?
Yes.
First of all.
Sorry, let me introduce myself. My name is Oleg Ozerev. I'm head of the Secretariat Russia-Africa Forum of Partnership. This secretariat was created after the first summit, Russia-Africa, as was said in Sochi, 2019. It means 2 years ago. And now this secretariat is preparing the second summit that will be held in autumn next year. And I have just arrived with our big economic delegation. This delegation represents the biggest Russian companies on the world level. And we are ready to improve really and to start to improve the relationship with Nigeria, because it's one of the biggest economy, very promising one, with the brightest future. And we see a lot of perspectives here. And I was very glad to hear His Excellency, Vice President, to support this movement and to develop our relationship on economic sphere. And Russia has a lot of things to propose to Nigeria in different spheres of cooperation, from fertilizer to high tech to energy sector and agriculture, infrastructure, energy sector. And we think that now we should go forward quickly in order to achieve real result before the second summit, Russia-Africa.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.